How to use a GMT. GMT watches, like this Rolex example nicknamed the root beer, allow the user to track the time in 2 different time zones. This was a feature designed initially for pilots, but has become a favourite complication for professional navigators and leisure travellers alike. GMT, an abbreviation of Greenwich Mean Time, is the standard time by which all clocks and watches are set. This Rolex GMT Master 2 is a watch with 4 hands, the hour, minute and seconds hand, but with an additional hand which takes 24 hours to complete 1 circuit of the dial. Step 1. Unscrew the crown and pull it out fully to the 2nd position. Move the hands forward until your reference time is achieved with the long GMT hand, in this case 4 AM. Step 2, push the crown back to position 1 and adjust the hour hand in 1 hour increments until you reach your local time. The date will advance when the local time goes through 12 o'clock. Push the crown back in, screw it down, and you are now able to see the time in your local location and back home on GMT time.